Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to translate your handwriting on the Google Translate application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the pen icon in the middle of the screen in this enter text box. So tap on it, and then you will be able to write into this white box down below. So write the word that you would like to translate. As you can see, you have translated the word. So here is the source language. So if you tap on that blue button in the target language box, you will be able to see the pronunciation and or listen to the pronunciation by tapping on the speaker icon.
Bonjour.
And if you scroll down, you're going to see the definitions of that particular word that you have just translated. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.